Hi there everyone. Today this lesson is about driving on the highway. Okay, so I'm on one freeway because it's an 80 zone, and now I'm going to be entering onto the 401 highway in Toronto, Canada. So I'm just exiting from the 400 series highway going on to the 401, and as you can see, it's busy. Now this lesson is for beginners, but of course experienced drivers can benefit from it, because a lot of licensed drivers, they drive and they really don't know how to drive properly. They make unsafe lane changes, they don't check blind spots. Okay, so what I need to do is exit here to get over on the 401 highway. So I put my left signal on, check my mirror and shoulder, and it's good, so I move over one, but I need two more to the left, so I leave my signal going because I need the express. So here we go. One more, and that's the express. See the overhead sign? Now he was too late in exiting the school bus, so you really have to pay attention. It's easy to end up in the wrong place. Alright, as you can see, the yellow sign there, it means that this lane is ending, so I have to exit. So I signal left, mirror, shoulder, and I get into this lane. And again, I'm entering the 401 highway in Toronto, Canada. So if you're watching from the US, when you come to Canada, most likely you're going to be driving on the 401. This is our main highway. Okay, so I need a lane change to the left, but there's a tractor trailer right beside me, so I'll just keep my signal on to show my intention, and when it's safe I'll get over there. Alright, he's backing off, so I'm gonna take it. Alright, that was cutting in close, but I know that this guy is in motion, he's not gonna stop. Okay, now I need one more lane change to the left, so I signal left, mirror, and accelerate to get over. Cancel the signal. Okay, I guess I can stay in this lane. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes going in the same direction. Like I always say, if my video dies, please like and subscribe anyway. Now you can also watch to see how our Toronto drivers, how they drive crazy sometimes. Not that everybody drives crazy, but it happens a lot. They'll cut you off, you know, they'll fly past you, and then you pass them down the road. They crash out, you know. So as it is right now, it's pretty uneventful, nothing happening. The speed is 100, but I'm actually doing 80 right now because I don't want to be following too closely behind that vehicle. Okay, I can get up to 100 because of the large gap I have in front of me. And look over there, traffic all backed up. It's just busy. And this is just 12 midday. 12 midday, and look at the traffic. But in the mornings in Toronto, you would not be moving at all. You'd be just stop and go, stop and go. It's crazy, you know. We need more highways. You can see over on the left there, traffic coming this way. I'm going east, and there's traffic coming west. And you see how busy it is? And how busy that is? Okay. Alright, I think I'll take the next exit from the 401 highway. So it's gonna be on the right, so I signal right, mirror, shoulder. And I just check again, move over to the exit. Alright. Okay, so I'm already in the right exit lane, so there's no need for me to put the signal on because I'm already there. Okay, now I'm merging into traffic here, so as you can see it's busy. So what I have to do is signal to the right because this lane is ending and that lane most likely will end soon. Okay, so I need to get over, signal, check, over, and I'm gonna go over one more lane and I cancel my signal. Okay, I will take the next exit, which is 2 kilometers away, and that's called Yonge Street in Toronto. So right now I'm driving at 80, it should be 100, but I'm good. Okay, I need to get over one lane to the right, so I signal right, check mirror and shoulder, and I accelerate to get to my lane. And I'm exiting Yonge Street, and it says 1 kilometer away before the exit. So since it's that close, I'll go over to the right lane. Signal right, mirror, shoulder, and over. Lanes exiting onto Yonge Street, but I'm in the curb lane because when we exit I intend to make a right turn, so if I'm over there I'll have to do a lane change, so this will be the straight, proper lane to be in. Okay, Yonge Street, and I'm going south on Yonge Street, so this is it. So I get down to 30 into the turn. And then I speed up. And I'll do a lane change to the left. Okay, so I'm off the highway now, so I think I'll just end this video, and I hope you got a few pointers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.